Hi, this is Chris Wagner from Kratos BI, and today we're going to be going over the Data God of the Week for February 23rd, 2020. Let's find out who it is. So this Data God has been around since the dawn of business intelligence. In fact, he was one of the people laying the foundations of the earth. He was out there building in data before there was even a thing called business intelligence. This Data God was one of the original people that I looked to when I was first getting started in the industry. And he's one of those guys that helped me through a number of different problems that I just straight up wasn't able to figure out any other solution to. And that guy is no other than, boom, Chris Webb. Chris Webb has been blogging in data and BI for over 15 years. He has over 1,000 different posts on SQL Server, business intelligence, MDX, DAX. I mean, you name it, Chris Webb covers it. You can find him out on the Kratos BI Data Gods page. You can also find him through LinkedIn, out on Twitter at CWeb_BI, or the best place you could go to look for finding Chris Webb's content is blog.crossjoin.co.uk. Chris has all of his blogs that are out there. His blogs are super intense and they're super useful in helping you resolve issues. You can go to and talk to all of the other people that are out there when you're trying to figure out how to do something, or you can just simply go straight to Chris Webb. If you're dealing with a technical issue, Chris Webb is your guy. He deals with all of the most technical challenges that are out there, probably has 2 or 3 excellent blog posts to help you through whatever situation you're in. So again, the Data God of the Week is Chris Webb. We're really excited to be featuring him. He's honestly, he's saved my butt on a number of occasions. So big shout out. Thank you to Chris Webb. Really appreciate that. All right. As always, thank you guys very much for joining us. If you like the content that's coming out on KratosBI.com, go out to my website, check it out. If you buy me a coffee, I will go out and while supplies last, inside my thank you letters that I send out, I still have Power BI stickers, the classic I love Power BI, and I've got the magic holographic Power BI stickers. So go out to KratosBI.com, buy me a coffee. Thank you all very much, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.